Hello. Today we're going to talk about doing a hard reset on your Hot Springs wireless control panel. To do this, you have to remove the battery from the spa and pair the control panel with the spa again. So you're going to start by removing all the screws from the back of the control panel. Be careful, they're small. Once the screws are removed, you're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and pry the battery off the back of the control panel. At this point, you're going to press and hold the jets and lights button on the spa until they start to blink. This may take a few seconds. Once they're blinking, take your battery, press it back onto the Hot Springs control panel. It'll scan for channels. This will take a minute. Once the menu comes up here, you're going to press and hold the OK button. And the spa will reset itself, pairing to the hot tub again. Once the control panel is reconnected with the hot tub, simply turn it over and put the screws back into the battery. And that completes a hard reset of the Hot Springs control panel.